last thing of today is we need to know about rater reliability. We are rater. If we are assets, go to assets. Presumably, Apicia, I let you to be my research assistant, Ansumali, or Kevalin, Chakapong, Nasucha. I remain who one? Or Sorasak escape. Become rater. I need to check about rater reliability. The first is inter-rater reliability is stability of data record by individual across two or more trials. I led Ansumali to village, to Mega and Patong village, to measure autistic child or special child about OBP intervention survey first. I need to know about just only Ansumali measure the outcome of OBP after intervention to autistic or presumably child, special child after past OBP gonna work or not. Use just only Ansumali. I need to measure intra-rater reliability. Okay, even though Ansumali, you measure you measure special child in mega sub-district around maybe 20 or 24 client intervention. Also, you need to measure a control group as well. We need to know about rater reliability, about inter-rater. Every time you measure is the same. Same is means stable. It can calculate by use computer SPSS about inter-rater reliability, okay? Because we need about reliability. Intra-rater is inter-rater or inter-observer or inter-scorer. It means you use about the degree of agreement or consistency with between two or more than assessor or scorer, who high score or rater. Not just only one or individual, more than start from two. Measure the same group. Presumably, first round before intervention by use OBP in Mega with special child, Mega sub-district. I use Ansumali phase 1. Okay, presumably before use Ansumali. After during intervention around maybe 2 weeks, I let Apicia measure my participant around maybe half to split is mean 24 is 12 and 12. I use Apicia. And near second phase and near finish more than 2 because I use 6 weeks. I use Sorasak. Okay. After that, when finished, I use I use Chakapong because to check point about this, to monitor about the change or not. Inter-rater, I don't know. Ansumali, Apicia, Sorasak, and Chakapong. What about your inter-rater? We don't know because this is not the same people, but the same group of intervention and group of control, the same group. But rater is not the same because we use 4 rater. We need to find out inter-rater reliability. Okay? Make sense? Because it's gonna show ค่าความเชื่อมั่น or reliability. Make sure, okay, understand? Get it, right? Okay. Some project is very quite big. Some people need to be used assessor is double by, right? It depends on your design as well. Inter-rater reliability should be established before inter-rater reliability. This is the very important point. If you think that you want to find about inter-rater reliability, if you find out your score is your participant is very quite big and you use phase very long, you might use 2 rater or 3 rater. Another every rater or individual you need to find inter-rater. It means I need to find out about Ansumali intra-rater and Apicia intra-rater as well. After that, I'm gonna find out about inter-rater between Apicia and Ansumali. If I use just only 2. If I use 3, I use to find Chakapong intra-rater, and after that, I use among between inter-rater with 3 people, Chakapong, Apicia, and Ansumali. Okay, makes sense? Okay, it's near finished. Rater, reliability statistics for intra-rater. Intra-rater is look like intranet. Just only about, we can use with about intra-class correlation coefficient ICC in model 3. It means that if we got about statistic inter-rater reliability, we use statistics percentage agreement. We can use kappa dichotomous data experiment with or the ordinal data Pearson or Pearson product moment correlation coefficient with the ratio data ratio คือค่าที่เป็นมีค่าสูงจริง and interval data when you measure about interval data is mean temperature or something, it depends on your measure. Okay, intra class correlation coefficient ICC use the model 2-3 interval ratio data. Okay, this is why we use interval and ratio. It depends on intra-rater is mean one rater or one assessor, just only individual, use 2 times, before and after presumably, or before, during and after. Use just only intra-rater, just only one of assessor or rater. Okay, if you use more than 2 assessor or 2 rater, you use inter-rater. Presumably you observe that object phenomenon or after intervention, before intervention, during intervention, or after intervention. Used to be people observe what is the outcome of change inter-rater reliability. This is rater reliability. Okay.
Hope you guys enjoy the teaching program. I think that you're gonna have something need to be discussed. See you in the next chapter in discussion period. Bye bye.